In this video we are going to see about an information and communication technology paper 3 website authoring from May June 2024 3 2. So first we are going to see the task 1 evidence document. Create a new word process document. So go to your folder, right click, go to the new Microsoft Word document, give your name, center number and your candidate number. So after that they will ask, make sure your name, center number, candidate number will appear on every page of this document. So go to the insert, header, blank 3 columns, so give your name, center number, candidate number. So make it little bit bigger. So I'm going to change this a bold and 14. So save this document in your work area as J32 evidence underscore followed by your candidate number. So I'm going to the evidence document, file, save as, and this is my folder. So I'm going to give us J32 evidence. So J32 evidence underscore followed by your center number. My center number is this and my candidate number with underscore and click save. So I'm going to give evidence 1, evidence 2, evidence 3. So we will make it ready our evidence document, and I'm going to give like Arial or Times New Roman. I will give Times New Roman. I'm going to make it say bigger. Update. So and after that just save this and minimize the evidence document. So we finish the evidence document. So we are going for the task 3 file management. Create a new folder called J32. So I'm going to your folder. I'm going to create a new folder. Right click, go to the new, go to the folder and give J32. So open this. So locate only the following files and store them in your J32 folder. So J32 banner.jpg, J32 contact.jpg, J32 feed.mp4. So I'm going to the folder. So J32 banner.jpg, J32 contact.jpg, J32 feed.mp4. So I'm going to cut this, right click, cut and go into the folder and I'm going to paste. Yes, I'm going back to the folder, source folder. Now logo.png, J32 text.txt file. So logo and this, and also they are asking web css what html what jpg. So web css what html and what jpg. So I'm going to cut this, control x, and I'm going to folder J32 folder. I'm going to paste control v. So display the content of your J32 folder showing the folder name, all file names, file extension, file size, image dimension and the frame height and the frame width for the video. So now we want to display the content of the folder. So this is our J32 folder. They are asking to set some of the file name, file size, all the six. So first that I am going to the view, I am going to click the details. So next I am going to the date, right click the date and go to the more, and I'm going to untick all the things except the name. So first they are asking folder name, so I'm going to type F4. So in this we can see the folder name. So next they are asking file name, already the file name is the no need. Next file extension, so I'm going to the folder, see file extension is in the top, I'm going to take this. Next they are asking file size, so I'm going for file. In the file size it will not be there, so I'm going to give only size, si. So size is there, I'm going to take this. Next image dimension, so if you search in I it will be not there, so we want to give the dimension, so di dimensions, so I'm going to click this. Next they are asking frame height and the frame width, so again I'm going to the folder F4, so I will get the frame height and I will have the frame width, so click OK. So the content is there, so see there is more space, so I can reduce the space of this. Yes, now take the screenshot of this. So I'm going to the evidence document, I'm going to paste on the evidence. So I'm going to untick the bold and under italic because evidence one is Excel file. Sorry, evidence 2. So if you want you can make it as here bigger, and picture format correction light color means you can give like this. Yes, we did. So task for web page, you will create the web page to help raise awareness of giraffe conservation. Create the web page called j32web.html and save this in your j32 folder. So I'm going for the web expression, Microsoft Expression Web 4. So I'm going to the design. So first I'm going to save the file. So untitled1.html, right click, save, go to desktop, go to the folder j32. I'm going to give the file name j32 web. So j32 web.html. Okay, save. So next I'm going for I create the web page in the folder. So this web page must be created using a single table and work in all browser. The table must fit 75% of the browser window and have the structure as shown in this diagram. So we want to create the table in the web expression. The table must fit 75, that means the table width should be 75%, and we want to calculate how many rows and columns are there. 1 2 3 4 5 5 rows is there. Okay, so next column 1 and 2, so 5 rows and we are having 2 columns. So I'm going for the table, insert table, 5 rows and 2 columns, and I'm going to give 75%. And cross check, they are asking the table border. Yes, the table border must appear on the final web page. So the table border I'm going to give 1 and click OK. So we create the table now. So now first row they merge in the cell, so I'm going to merge the first row. Right click, modify mid cell, and I'm going to give A. Second B, they are merging like this, so B I'm going to merge up to this, right click, modify mid cell, I'm going to give B. C, they did not match. D, they did not match. E, they did not match. F, yes they match, so I'm going to select the F. Last one, modify mid cell and give F. So we create the table, we give the table borders, and one thing, each table cell is identified with a letter which must not appear on the final web page. So we want to we should not show the content A B C D E F on the final web page. Okay, so question number 14, set the title of the web page to giraffe conservation. So go to the file, go to the properties, and I am going to give the title giraffe conservation. So capital G, giraffe conservation. Yes. So place in cell A the image J32 banner. So click OK. So A, delete the A, go to the insert picture from file. I am going to the desktop, banner, insert. So I am going to give the name banner and click OK. Yes. Next, B, a video tag to display J32 feed.mp4 so that fits the width of the cell. This video must show the controls and play automatically when the web page open. Display the not. So in the B tag we want to insert the image. So I'm going to select the B, go to the code. 1 minute. So in B we want to insert the image. So the video you want to type the code. So open video, and we want to check whether they give the width and height. So width and height, so that it fits the width of the cell, so they give the width. So after this, width equal 100 percentage. Okay, why we are giving percentage? Our table in the percentage, if they are giving pixels, you want to give the pixels. And after that, and we want to see whether they are asking controls. So if they did not also ask, you want to give the controls, and we want to check whether they are asking any autoplay, loop or mute. Play automatically when the web page open. So I'm going to give auto play like this and close this. Now we want to insert the video. So open the source tag, space src equal the file name they given j32 feed.mp4. So I'm going to type here space, and we want to give the type equal to video slash mp. Yes, now see, it is there. Next we want to type the error message. They given the browser does not support this video type. So after this I'm going to type yes. Now we add the video, so I'm going to save the web page. Again I'm going back to design. Okay, see the image J32 was.jpg. So I'm going to the C, delete, I'm going to the insert picture from file, I'm going to insert the image J32 what, and I'm going to give the name what. Click OK. And D contact. So go to the D, go to the insert picture from file, I'm going for the contact, insert, and going to give the alternate text contact. See, so enter in cell E, web page edited by Then on your new line, your name, center number, candidate number. So I'm going to select. So I'm going to type web page edited by. On your new line, we want to type your name, center number, candidate number. Yes, done. So set this text as style H3. So I'm going to select all the things. I'm going to for H3. Yes. Place in cell F the text from the file j32 text.txt. So I'm going to open j32 text.txt. I'm going to copy all the things. Control C on F, Control V. Set this text in paragraph style. So select this. I'm going for paragraph. Yes, we set. Now attach the style sheet J web to CSS to your web page. Do not edit the style sheet. So right click. So attach the style sheet. So go to the format, CSS style, attach style sheet, browse. I'm going for J32 web, open and click OK. Yes, we did this. Next, make the image word.jpg link to open the web page word.html in a new window called blank. So we are going to create a hyperlink for the word. We are going to link the word.html and we want to set the default target frame blank. Okay, so what hyperlink x16 file, then go to the target frame. I'm going to give the new window blank. So click OK and click OK. Yes. So next, make the contact.jpg a link to open the email editor. Now we are going to send the email message for contact us. Right click, hyperlink, email address. I'm going to type the address. Subject, they are given Giraffe. So I'm going to give Giraffe. Click OK. So save your web page. Now I'm going to save my web page. Next, take a copy of HTML source and place this in your evidence document. So I'm going to copy the my HTML source, copy all the files, Control C. So in evidence 3 I'm going to paste. Check whether bold and tick, underline and tick and paste. Yes, done. Now I want to give evidence 4. Control B, yes, and take the bold and italic. Now display a web page in your web browser. If necessary, resize it so that all the pages can be seen, all the text can be easily read, the address bar is fully visible. Now I am going to my folder and I am going to, yes, I want to save us in my folder. Yes, I think by mistake I save in different file, ht different folder. Yes, I am going to save it again. File, save as, go to the desktop, .html. Okay, so okay, no problem. So go to the file, preview in browser. I'm going for Chrome. So yes, so now I can reduce the size. not fully visible, so I'm going file, save as, dot html. Yes, I gave this. Yes, yes, it's there because it is showing in the html. Already we saved this. So Google Chrome, give this, close this. So reduce the size. Okay, increase the size and check whether it's coming properly or not. Or we can try with Microsoft Edge. You can see how it is coming in Microsoft Edge. I'm going to reduce 75. So again I'm going to my folder. This is my thing. I'm going to try with open with Microsoft Edge. Yes, it's correct. It came correct. So you want to adjust, you want to zoom and you try. Take this, go to the document in evidence 4. I'm going to paste. So I'm going to apply the wrap text and it will come like this. So we take the screenshot and task by printing the evidence document, so you can take the print. So this is about May June 2024 variant 3 to ICT website authoring. Thank you.